Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete extra pages in Control Center. Over here, as you can see, I'm having few pages. This one is having 2 and this one is having 1. So how to delete this? So in order to delete this, what you need to do, the first step, you have to tap over here in the plus icon, and now from here you just need to keep scrolling down. You can see, just keep scrolling down and navigate to the pages you want to delete it. You can see this is the first page, this is the second page with the 2 widgets, and this is also another page with 2 widgets as well. So if you want to delete this, what I need to do is I just need to tap on this minus icon over here. Let me tap on this, so it is moved. So right now there are 2 widgets, but I removed one even though the page remains. So if you wanted to delete a particular page, you have to remove all the widgets from this particular page, and that's what you have to do. Let me do this for this as well. So as you can see right now, the page is gone. So I'm having only 2 pages right now. The third page is gone, so I'm having 2. Now I have to do the same for over here as well. I have to delete this one. So right now, as you can see, I have to go for the one which is remains, and I have to go over here as well. So right now all the pages has been gone and everything is deleted, and this is what you have to do. And now I'm going back over here. As you can see, the pages are completely vanished, which means it's all deleted, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.